If you have a minor wound, such as a cut, scrape, or burn, or if you have a mild skin infection, a double antibiotic ointment can help. It can also be used to prevent infections in minor wounds. This ointment contains antibiotics that work by slowing or stopping the growth of bacteria, which can help your wound heal faster. Just apply a thin layer to the affected area 1 to 3 times a day, and make sure to wash your hands before and after applying it. Remember to use it as directed by your doctor or pharmacist. This medication is meant to be used on the skin only. Make sure to follow all directions on the product package or as directed by your doctor. Before using, remember to wash your hands. It's important to avoid getting the ointment in your eyes or inside your mouth. If this happens, wipe off the medication and rinse thoroughly with water. Do not use inside the nose unless directed by your doctor. Clean and dry the affected area as directed. If you are using the ointment or cream, apply a small amount of the medication in a thin layer on the skin, usually 1 to 3 times daily or as directed by your doctor. Gently rub it in if your condition allows. If you are using the powder, apply a light dusting of the powder on the area. If needed, cover with a bandage. Remember to wash your hands after use. It's important not to use large amounts of this medication, apply it more often, or use it for a longer period than directed. Your condition may not improve faster, and the risk for side effects may be increased. Use this medication regularly in order to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, use it at the same times each day. If your condition does not improve or worsens after 1 week, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, contact your doctor promptly. If you experience burning, redness, or irritation of the skin, it's important to tell your doctor or pharmacist. Your doctor has determined that the benefits of this medication outweigh the potential side effects. Serious side effects are rare, but if you experience balance or hearing problems, or notice small red bumps on the skin, it's important to let your doctor know. Prolonged use of this medication may result in a fungal or bacterial skin infection, so be sure to contact your doctor if you notice any new, unusual skin symptoms. A very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, but if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. If you notice any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before using double antibiotic ointment, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to any of its ingredients or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems. It's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. Also, before using this medication, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have other skin conditions such as eczema, or viral skin infections like shingles, chickenpox, or cold sores. If you are planning to have surgery, it's important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. For pregnant women, this medication should only be used when clearly needed. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor before using it. For breastfeeding mothers, it is currently unknown if this drug passes into breast milk. It's important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding while using this medication. When using double antibiotic ointment, it's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's a good idea to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval to ensure your safety and well-being. If this medicine is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing serious symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to call for emergency help right away. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. If your doctor has prescribed the use of double antibiotic ointment, it is important not to share it with others. Use this product only as directed by your doctor and only for your current condition. Do not save it for later use or use it for another infection without consulting your doctor first. If you are using double antibiotic ointment on a regular schedule and forget to apply it at the usual time, apply it as soon as you remember. If it is close to the time for your next dose, then skip the missed dose and use your next dose at the regular time. Do not apply more than the usual amount to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to check the storage information provided by the manufacturer for the proper way to store the double antibiotic ointment. If you have any questions about storage, you can ask your pharmacist. It's important not to freeze the ointment and to keep it away from children and pets. When it comes to disposing of the ointment, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, make sure to properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to dispose of it. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.